Om Gulam Namaste. Hello, my dear 10th class children. How are you? I am fine. I hope you are also fine. Okay. Today we have completed the main median mode concept and respective examples and exercise problems. So today the last topic in our statistic chapter is nothing but Obucus. Okay? This is very easy topic, but this is related to the graph paper type of problems. Okay? So we have to do this type of problems on a graph paper. Okay? Now let us discuss about Obucus. Okay? Now Obucus are Obucus means what? Obucus are curves. Okay? Obucus are classified into two different types. Okay? They are less than OQ curve, less than OQ curve, OQ curve, and greater than more than OQ curve. Okay? More than OQ curve. Okay? More than OQ curve. So OQ curves are classified into two different types based on the cumulative frequency. Okay? Now more than OQ curve. Okay? These two are two different types of curves that we have to draw on the graph paper. Okay? Now less than OQ curve, more than OQ curve. Okay? Less than OQ curve is dependent upon LCF. Okay? LCF means what? Less than OQ curve is dependent upon LCF. Okay? LCF is what? Less than cumulative frequency. Okay? We discussed in median. How many types of frequencies are there? Two types. Less than cumulative frequency, greater than cumulative frequency. So, less than type OQ curve is dependent upon LCF. Okay? Now, more than OQ curve is dependent upon GCF. GCF. Okay, that is nothing but greater than cumulative frequency. Okay? Now less than cumulative frequency, greater than cumulative frequency. So we have to discuss about these two. Already we have discussed the cumulative frequency which is obtained by adding the frequencies from top to bottom is known as ACF. Okay? Into what? If we add all the frequencies from top to bottom, then we can obtain the ACF values. Okay? And GCF values means what? Greater than cumulative frequency. Greater than cumulative frequencies can be obtained by adding the frequencies from bottom to top. Okay? Means top to bottom means AC. Top to bottom, if we add means we get the ACF. Bottom to top, if we add means we get the GCF. Okay? Now I think so you are understood. Now to draw the ACF graph, to draw the ACF and GCF graphs, Okay, to draw the LCF and GCF graphs, we need two values. Okay, we need two values. Okay, for LCF graph, we need two values. That is one the geometric frequency. Okay, LCF OQ curve. Okay, or drawing LCF OQ curve, we need only two values. LCF and upper boundary. Okay, similarly for GCF OQ curve, GCF is one more than the OQ curve. And GCF OQ curve, we need lower boundary and GCF values. Okay. Now observe carefully on the graph paper. On x-axis you have to take either upper boundary or lower boundary. Okay. On y-axis you have to take either LCF or GCF. Okay. Now this is the concept. Okay. Now how to find the upper boundary and lower boundary? Okay. Now how to find upper boundary and lower boundary? Okay. For suppose if the cos interval be 15 to 35. 15 to 35. So, if that is 15 to 35, then the 15 indicates lower boundary and 35 indicates upper boundary. Okay? Okay? Each value means the lesser value of the cos interval is known as lower boundary. The highest value of cos interval is known as upper boundary. Okay, in this way how to obtain the lower boundary and upper boundary. Okay, for suppose he can give us less than or equal to less than or equal to less than or equal to 15 15. Okay, so less than or equal to 15 means what? Below 50. So here 15 will be acting as upper boundary. Okay. Okay. Again, in another way, for more than type OQ, he can give. For more than type, for less than type OQ, he can give more than or equal to more than or equal to or equal to equal to 35. Okay, more than or equal to 35. So means what? 35 equal to 35 and more than 35. So then 35 will be acting as lower boundary. Okay, now in this way we can obtain the lower boundary and upper boundary values. Okay, ACF means nothing but counting the number of frequencies from top to bottom. Okay, that is ACF. Okay, then GCF counting the number of frequencies from bottom to top. From bottom to top is known as GCF. Okay, for then you cover we should need upper boundary and ACF. Okay, we should obtain. Okay, for more than that, we should obtain lower boundary and GCF. Okay, this is the way of finding the point from the given table. Means what point obtaining from the given data. Now, how we have to find the, how we have to plot a graph? Okay, after getting the points, okay, after getting the points, okay, after getting the points, take a graph paper. Take a graph paper and draw the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, then this is the origin. Okay, now after drawing that, Mutton should maintain the scale on the mutton should write the scale of x-axis and y-axis on the top right corner of the graph paper. Okay, scale. Okay, if you do not write this, you can use 1 mark in your examination. Okay, scale. What is scale on x-axis? On x-axis, 1 unit equal to how many? 1 unit equal to how much? Okay, now on y-axis, okay, 1 unit equal to how much? Okay, 1 unit equal to how much you can take? That is 25 or 50, that is according to your wish based upon the point obtained from the table. Okay, now after 15 is write down the values. Okay, net plot the points. Plot the points on the graph. Okay, plot the point on the graph paper. Okay, now plot the point on the graph paper. Okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is the origin. Now plot the points 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now join them. Okay, now this is the then OG curve. Okay, why because we are going from bottom to top. Okay, if we are coming from top to bottom, then it is a more than a bogey curve. Okay, now after completing this, in some problems you ask the median. How to find a median? Okay, with one curve. That is how you have to find. You have to count the number of frequencies. N equal to how much? Okay, we have to count. Okay, afterwards n by 2. N by 2 value you have to calculate. Okay, now that is some x. Okay, now n by 2 value x is now N by 2 is near to which eye on the y-axis? If you see on the y-axis, why on y-axis only we can have the frequencies. Okay, this is frequency, that is frequency. So we have to see on the y-axis. Okay. So for suppose at one point you got the near value. Okay. Now draw a perpendicular line segment from that point to the curve. Okay. Now that line segment touches that line segment we touch the curve at one point. Okay. Now from that point draw a perpendicular line segment to the x-axis. Okay, draw a perpendicular line segment to the x-axis. That we touch the x-axis at some point. Okay, some point y. Okay, that will be the median. Okay, that will be the median value. Okay, if one curve is asked and from that curve, if median was asked to find. Okay, now if both curves were asked and one graph, okay, then how it will be? This is the geometric frequency curve. Okay, less than that. Okay, now greater than that. Similarly same, but the curve will be defined. Okay, now x-axis, y-axis, origin. Okay, now more than curve will be like this. Okay, more than type, okay curve. Okay, same. For finding a median, n by n equal to how much? Okay, net calculate I of n by 2. Okay, net n by 2 I is near to which I you find out on the y-axis. Draw a perpendicular line segment to the curve. Okay, afterwards draw a perpendicular line segment from the point where the intersection can be done to x-axis. Okay, that will be what? That will be the median of the given curve. Okay, for less than type and more than type, same type of procedure for finding the median. Okay, now for suppose if both curves are asked you in one graph, then what you have to do? If both curves are asked you, then you have to draw this is y-axis, this is x-axis. You have to draw both the axes. This is more than that, this is less than that curve. Okay? Now this is more than that curve, more than OQ curve, more than OQ curve, OQ curve. OQ curve, this is less than OQ curve. Okay, this is less than OQ curve. OQ curve. Okay, now the two curves are intersecting at one particular point on the graph paper. Okay. Now from that point, draw a perpendicular line segment to x-axis. Okay, that line segment will intersect the x-axis at some point. Okay, that will be the median. That will be the median of the given data. Okay, that will be the median of the given data. Okay, from the graph. Okay, that is not exact value. That is appropriate value, near to a median value. Okay, he can ask to find the median by using the formula. Then we have to find the median by using the formula a plus n by 2 minus cf by f into h. Okay, our general formula. Okay, in that way we have to draw the curves, give curves, and we have to find the median from the graph. Okay, now let us see some examples and exercise problems on it. Okay, now see the example number 9, also in page number 353. Jnana which n by 30 short. In Rangati give to the following distribution. Okay, distribution again. Okay, now find the both values for the data. Means ACF is done the both and greater than the value, and we have to find the median profit. Means what? You have to find the median value. Okay? Now, first of all, we have to find the frequency, actual frequency. Now, this is given. Now, this number of stops is given GCF. Okay, GCF. Okay, now we have to calculate the actual frequency. Okay, now 30 minus 28, how much? 2. Okay, now 28 minus 16, how much? 12. Okay, now 16 minus 14, how much? 2. Okay, now 14 minus 10, how much? 4. 10 minus 7, how much? 3. Now 7 minus 3, how much? 4. Next 3 minus 0. Now after 3, there is no number. So 3 minus 0 equals 3. So this is the actual frequency. Okay, now this is nothing but more than or equal to given now. So we have to, what we have to find? Yeah, upper boundary. This is the lower boundary. Okay, lower boundary is given. So lower boundary and GCF. With this we can complete the more than type OQ curve. Okay, that is nothing but 5, 10. 5, 10, 5, 30, sorry, 5, 30, 10, 28, 10, 28, okay, 15, 16, okay, now again 20, 14, 20, 14, okay, now 25, 10, 25, 10, now again 25, 10, 30, 7, 30 comma 7, 30 comma 7 and 35 comma 3. 35 comma 3. Okay. Now first is we have to point out this point and the gap and we have to join them. Then we can get the more than type OQ curve. Okay. Now to find the less than type OQ curve, you have to convert these cases into cash intervals. Okay, that is nothing but nothing but okay. I understood. I hope you understood. If you have doubt, come to school and clarify your doubts. Okay. Now, next. Now, this is a point we obtain now. Now again. Now I have to convert this gas into gas intervals. Okay? Gas intervals. Okay? Gases. Gases. Okay? Now 5 to 10. Okay? 10 to 15. Okay? 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 20 to 25. Okay, 20 to 25, and 25 to 30. 25 to 30, okay, 30 to 35, 30 to 35, and 35 to 40. 35 to 40. This is the class intervals. Okay, means we have converted the more than type cash intervals into IHF cash intervals by using lower boundary and upper boundary. Okay. Now LCF we have to find. Okay. LCF. Okay. LCF. Okay. 2. 2 by 2 are 14. Okay. Now 14 by 2 16. Okay. 16 by 4 20. Okay, 20 by 3, 23. 20 by 4, 20 by 3, 23. Okay, 23 by 4, 27. Okay, 27 by 3, 30. So the OQ points are nothing but ACF OQ points are nothing but ACF. Is that type? Less than the OQ curve. What is the point? ACF what you want? Upper boundary and ACF. So 10 comma 2, 10 comma 2, 15 comma 14, 15 comma 14. Next 20 comma 16, 20 comma 16. Next 25 comma 20, 25 comma 20. Next 25 comma 20. Next 30 comma 23. 30 comma 23. 23. Okay. Next 35 comma 27. 35 comma 27. Okay. Next 40 comma 30. 40 comma 30. 40 comma 30. These are the points corresponding to the area of curve. These are the points corresponding to the GCF, means more than the OQ curve. Okay, but this point we have to fix one scale on the graph. On x-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. Okay, and on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Okay, in that way you have to plan and you have to point out the obtained point on the graph paper and you have to join them. Okay, then you can get two curves. The two curves will meet at one point. On that point, draw a perpendicular line segment to the x-axis. Okay, at x-axis that line will meet at one point. That point will be the median. Okay, in that way you have to find the median from the given graph if both of the values are given. Now next we want to go to the exercise 14.4. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the exercise 14.4. First problem. Okay, page number 355. The problem is the following distribution gives the daily income of 50 hours, 50 workers of a factory. Okay. Now convert the distribution above to a then cumulative frequency distribution. Means what? Then cumulative frequency means ACF. Okay. And draw the value. Okay. Now we have to find ACF values. Okay. ACF values. Okay. This is very easy. Okay. Obtaining the ACF and GCF values. Okay. Now 12. Now 12 plus 14, 26. Okay, 26 plus 8, 34. 34 plus 6, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. Okay, these are the ACF values. Now, to draw the ACF OQ curve, we want what? More than upper boundary and ACF. Okay, the upper boundaries are this one. Okay, the upper boundaries are 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. So the obtained points are nothing but 300 comma 12. 300 comma 12. Okay, next 350 comma 26. 350 comma 26. Okay, next 400 comma 34. 400 comma 34. Okay, next 450 comma 40. 450 comma 40. Okay, now and then last point is 500 comma 50. Okay, now these are the corresponding point to the corresponding given table. Now by starting this bond and the graph paper and joining them, you can get the area OQ curve. Okay. Now how we have to find by assuming x-axis on x-axis 1 unit equal 1 centimeter equal to 1 centimeter equal 50 units. Okay, 1 centimeter equal 50 units on x-axis. On x-axis and 1 centimeter equal to 4 units. 1 centimeter equal to 4 units. 1 centimeter equal to 4 units on y-axis. Okay, 1 centimeter equal to 50 units on x-axis. Okay, now by using this scale, draw this point. Now you can get the cumulative frequency OQ curve. Okay, now next problem. Now the second problem is exercise 14.4 second problem. Okay, during the medical checkup about 35 students of his class, they each were recorded as follows. Okay, now draw a type OQ for the given data. Okay, you have to draw the type OQ curve for the given data. Okay. Then hence obtain the median weight from the graph. Okay, median weight we have to find. Okay, now and verify the result by using the formula. Means we have to find the median by using formula also. Okay, now let us see. Okay, now to draw the OQ type, what we should require, we want upper boundary and HCF values. Okay, now from the table, the upper boundary and the HCF values are given directly. Okay, the number of students that is indicating that indicates the HCF. Okay, so these are the HCF values. So the points are 38, 0, 38, 0. Okay, next 40, 3, 40, 3, next 42, 5, 42, 5, next 44, 9, 44, 9 and 46, 14, 46, 14, 14 and 48, 28, 48, 28, 48, 28. Next 50, 32, 50, 32, 52, 35, 52, 35. Okay, so how many points you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these points we have to plot on the graph. Okay, by taking what? By taking x-axis, on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 4 units. Okay, and on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Okay, 2 into 4 units. No problem. Okay, Now you have to find after plotting the bonds and graphs, draw a n by 2. N by 2 equal what? 35. Okay? N by 2 equal what? 35. So n by 2 equal n equal 35. Okay? So n by 2 equal to 35 by 2. 35 by 2. Okay? So n by 2 equal to what? 17.5. 17.5. Okay? Now, at 17.5 point on the y-axis, draw an segment perpendicular to the curve. Okay? Then that line segment will intersect the curve at one point. Okay? Now draw a perpendicular line from that point to the x-axis. Then you can get the median weight on the graph. Okay? Now you have to verify this by using the formula. Okay? Now to find this, let us contact the classes and the students. Okay? Okay, next, let us contact the classes and the students. Okay, now we have converted the given table into class interval. That is nothing but 38 to 40 0, 40 to 42 3, 42 to 44 2, 44 to 46 4, 46 to 48 5, 48 to 50 14, 50 to 52 4, 52 to 54 3. Now CF, cumulative frequency. You have tried it. Cumulative frequency means also ACF. ACF and CF are now okay. So 0 plus 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 14 28, 28 plus 4 32, 32 plus 3 35. So n by 2 I what? 17.5. Okay, 17.5. 17.5 near to 14. Okay, so this is the CF value. Okay, then this will be the F value. Okay, so this will be the 48 to 50 class will be the median class. Okay, so CF equal to what? 14. Net F equal to 14. F equal to 14. Net L equal to 48. Now only of the class 48. And H equal to 2. Okay, H equal to 2. Now based upon this value, you have to calculate the median value. Okay, now median value can be calculated by using the median formula. Okay, then median equal to median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F by F into H into H. Okay, now come to the values. Equal to 48. 48 plus n by 2 equal 17.5. Okay, 17.5 minus CF equal to what? 14. Okay, 14 by F equal to what? 14 into H equal to 2. Okay, 2 on the 2 7. Okay, now equal to 48 plus 17 minus 14 how much? 3.5. 3.5 into 1. 3.5 into 1 by 7. Okay, nothing but equal to 48 plus 3.5 on 3.5 by 7. Okay, 7. No, 7 by 35. So 1 point is the key 1 point. So 0.5. Okay, that is something what equal to 48 plus 0.5. Okay, so that is nothing but equal to 48.5 kg. Okay, 48.5 kg. Okay, this is the median weight of the two lengths. Okay, if we obtain the value from the graph also, it is near to 48.5. So, in this way, we have to obtain the median from the graph and we have to verify the value by using the formula by converting the given table into class interval format. Okay, next problem. Last problem 14.4 exercise. Okay, no, that is nothing but third problem 14.4 exercise. The following table gives production of each per hectare of wheat of 100 forms of wheat production is given. Okay, now change the distribution to more than type distribution and dot OQ. Okay, okay, now for this we have to find the value of GCF. Okay, now 50 to 55 2, 55 to 58, 50 to 55 12, 55 to 70 24, 70 to 75 38, 75 to 80 60. So now GCF into what? You have to count from bottom to top. So 16 equal to 16. Okay, 15 to 38. 15 to 38 how much? 86 14. Okay, now 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 54. Okay, now 54 with 12 how much? 66. 54. Okay, 54 with 24. 54 with 24 how much? 78. Okay, 54 with 24 78. Okay, now 16 equal to 16, mama. 16. Okay. Now 16 by 38, 54. Okay. 16 by 38, 54. Okay. Now 54 by 24, 78. Okay, 78. Now 78 to 12, 90. Okay. 90 plus 8, 98. Okay. 98 to 200. Okay. So this here we did now. So now we have to find what law boundary. Okay, law boundary equal what? 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So the points are 50, 100, 50, 100. Okay. 50, 100, 55, 90, 55, 90, 98. Okay, next 50, 50, 50, 90, 50, 90. Okay, then 55, 78, 55, 78. Next 70, 54, 70, 54. Now 70, 54. Next 16, 70, 51. Next 75, 75, 16. So you have to part out, you have to point out these points on the graph paper by taking on x-axis 1 unit to 1 centimeter equal to 5 units, and on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 4 units. Okay, in that way we have to take and we have to plot the points on the graph and we have to join them. Then we can obtain the more than type frequency distribution. And it was more than type frequency distribution means this gas interval should be converted into more than or equal to 50. Okay, more than or equal to 60, more than or equal to 65. More than equal to 55, more than equal to 60. In that way, we have to convert the distribution. Okay, that is no problem. In this way, we have to find the OQs and we have to find out the median from the graph. Okay, thank you.